Hi, my name is Suchita Khedkar. I am from Pune. Thanks for Valga Oil. Valga Oil and recipe Superstar Group admin Asha Ranjan ma'am and Sangeeta Mishra ma'am for giving me this wonderful opportunity for cooking and cooking healthy dish. Opportunity for giving this Valga oil. I am using this Valga oil and prepare a sattvic dish. Preparing a sattvic dish, healthy dish. This oil is very lightweight and zero oil cholesterol. I am using this spray oil. Just spray two times and get a 4 calories per spray. So let us start wonderful dish and healthy dish. Healthy chilla, quinoa healthy chilla dish. These ingredients I am using and making a healthy quinoa chilla. Firstly, quinoa, 1 cup quinoa I am using. This quinoa is soaked in hot water and then water drain. 1 cup quinoa. Quinoa is very useful for health. High protein rich dish. Superfood, one of the superfood. Moong flour 1 cup. Chickpea flour 1 cup. Onion, cut small pieces onion 1 cup. Coriander leaves half cup. Beetroot cut half cup and 6 chilies and 4 spoon yogurt. I am making healthy chutney, pudina chutney or mint chutney using few ingredients: pink salt 2 spoon, lemon, coriander leaves and mint leaves, some mint leaves, jeera and 3 green chilies and jaggery. You can eat this chutney with this healthy quinoa chilla. Let's start and make quinoa chilla. Firstly, this quinoa I am putting in mixer pot. Then add chili and beetroot and coriander leaves. Add some water. Make a paste. The paste has been made. See, wonderful color, pink color. Add in a bowl. Then add moong flour. Then chickpea flour and onion, curd or yogurt. Then add red chili powder, tamarind powder and jeera. and few drops Vulga oil. This Vulga oil, cold pressed oil, and pink salt, 3 spoon, small spoon, and mix it well. This paste is thick now, that's why I am adding small quantity water. Batter is ready. This batter is ready and I am keeping this aside and make a chutney. Coriander leaves in a jar, put in a jar, and mint leaves, 3 chilies, and jeera, some quantity jaggery, and pink powder, pink salt, and pink salt, and lemon, and some quantity, small quantity of water. Now I am grinding it in a mixer and make a smooth paste. Mint chutney is ready. I am putting this chutney in serving bowl. And let us start make healthy chilla. I am heating the pan and spray small quantity coconut oil and then make small chilla. Then add 1 spray of Gingerly Vulga oil and cover it. Only 2 minutes. I am flipping it to the other side and then cover it. 2 minutes and then chilla is ready. This chilla is ready and I am making one other chilla. Firstly I am spraying this Vulga oil. And make a small chilla. Then spray Vulga oil 1 time. Cover the chilla. Then cover it. second healthy chilla, spongy healthy chilla ready. Healthy quinoa chilla is ready. Using Vulca oil, health of our fingertips. Make healthy chilla